I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo Switch with a keyboard and mouse. First, you will need to understand that this setup requires specific third-party hardware, as the Switch does not natively support these peripherals. We will cover the essential adapters you need, how to connect them, and the steps to configure your controls for an optimal gaming experience. This method opens up new possibilities for precision and control in many of your favorite Switch titles, transforming your gameplay. To begin, you will need a specialized USB adapter designed to bridge your keyboard and mouse with the Nintendo Switch. Popular options include devices like the Brook Wingman NS or the Mayflash Magic NS, which typically cost between $30 and $50. Ensure your chosen adapter has at least 2 USB ports for your peripherals. While most wired keyboards and mice are compatible, some wireless models might require their own USB dongle, so check compatibility before purchasing. Once you have your adapter, connect it to an available USB port on your Nintendo Switch dock. If playing in handheld mode, you will need a USB-C to USB adapter to connect the main adapter directly to the console. Next, plug your keyboard and mouse into the adapter's designated ports. Many adapters come with companion software or a mobile app, allowing you to precisely map each keyboard key and mouse movement to specific Switch controller inputs, such as the button or joystick movements. Finally, optimize your gameplay by fine-tuning settings like mouse sensitivity and dead zones within the adapter's software. While this setup works well for many games, especially first-person shooters and strategy titles, it is important to note that not all games are equally suited. Be aware that this method is not officially supported by Nintendo, meaning compatibility can vary, and there might be a slight input delay. Practice is key to mastering your new control scheme.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.